Hello, in this video tutorial, you will learn how to submit a request for information via eBuilder with American States Utility Services. First, we're going to review the workflow for an RFI, request for information. The subcontractor can initiate a request for information. The subcontractor would complete the request form and enter in the suggested solution. They will be asked to input an anticipated schedule impact and cost impact, and you will have the ability to upload photos and videos if that applies to your request. After you click Submit, it will automatically go to ASUS for review, where either an inspector or a capital project supervisor will review the request, and a subcontract administrator will also review the request. You will then receive a final response from American States Utility Services. When you receive this response, it will come in the form of an email notification where you will then be able to log into the system and view that final response. In some cases, an RFI may lead to a change request. Now we are going to go into the eBuilder system and walk through this process. To log into eBuilder, you will go to gov.e-builder.net and you would enter in your login credentials. If you're unsure of what your login credentials are, feel free to reach out to eBuilder or contact an ASUS team member and we will be able to assist. After you log into eBuilder, you will be on your home page. You can enter a request for information in two methods. One, on the left-hand side of the page, there's a Quick Start menu. You can simply go to the Quick Start menu and select the request for information. The other option is to use the Processes tab at the top of the page. At the top of your page, there's a blue module section called Processes. Select Processes. In the far right side of your screen, you will go to the All Project section and use the drop-down menu to find the project that you want to submit a request for information for. This will only be a list of projects that you are associated or have contracts with that are active. On the next page, you will go to the far right side of your screen and select Start Process. On this next pop-up screen, you will then see options for processes that you have the ability to start. You can either select Change Request, Pay Application, or Request for Information. At this point, if you want to select a request for information, just select the process title. Then the page will refresh and you will see a blank request for information form. Enter in your request for information title, your RFI request, your suggested solution. If you have photos or videos to upload to this request for information, you can either drag and drop the files here or select Browse Computer and find your photos or videos from your computer. You can enter in if there's a schedule impact, yes, no, or unknown, and the number of days. If there's a cost impact, yes, no, or unknown, and the dollar value of that cost impact. And you have the ability to enter in any additional comments. After you have finished filling out the request for information form, you can scroll to the top or the bottom of the page and click the Submit button. After you click Submit, it will automatically send your request to ASUS for review, again, where the inspector and a capital project supervisor and a subcontract administrator can review the request and formulate a formal response back to you. Once there's a response, you will receive an email notification from the system where you can follow the link and log in and view the official response. In some cases, a request for information will lead to a change request, and that would require a second process, a change request process, to be started. Feel free to watch the video tutorial on change requests on how to submit one of the change request processes. If you have any questions on how to submit a request for information through eBuilder, feel free to reach out to an ASUS team member and we'd be more than happy to assist. Thank you.